What's up,
Product
guys?
name required.
Welcome to the Blizz Tank. Cream for liver disease relief and ADHD that induces horrible, horrible nightmares. That's why it's a cream. Well, that is worth a lot. How's it doing so far? Has done nothing for ADHD, but it has helped a liver. One liver, in fact. We'll see how it ends up. So, we are looking for gout. There it is. It's right there. Okay. Maybe
A competitor
instead.
has released a new product.
No, I think we're good. The
A
asthma
competitor
attack, huh?
has released a new product.
Love boost. Okay. Wait, can I actually see what that is? Erectile dysfunction. Okay, 666 value. Of course. Of course. How are we doing? It's actually starting to back up here. Good. That means when I actually let this go, we'll actually be doing okay.
New ingredient discovered.
Hey, hey. Antihistamine with urinary retention problems. One more. We can do one more. Antihistamine with urinary retention problems. So the antihistamine, how's it looking? Alleviates insomnia is okay. Liver disease is nice. It is, but we'll work on that later. I think maybe we could do bipolar now. Maybe. We'll see. Like I said, pretty much everything I have is good enough. Hyperthyroidism's having a rough time. Oh, wait, no, we're not even doing that anymore. Doesn't even matter. Bye. Pretty much everything we're making is going for the A, B plus range. So I'm feeling good about that.
Has released a new product.
Except for our new
Research
one.
complete.
Our new one's garbage. Oh, yeah. It feels really bad to put forth all this effort and then watch it just be completely just tossed aside. It's like, come on. You gotta be better than that. Alright. Let's move towards regulatory connections. I think we're gonna need that. Bipolar ease. We're good. Alright, we have a big space. This is our angina, which is one of our better ones, I believe. Yeah, that's a solid A. So let's leave angina all alone. Angina is great. I don't know if our liver disease ADHD drug is really going to do us any good, honestly. At least it doesn't really cause any nightmares, but still. So, if we look at our cures, we could jump onto bipolar. Maybe. We do have the autoclave. We could reduce stroke risk. We might want to do that one instead. We can't fight cancer, but this doesn't require the auto mixer. So we need to find a place. Bipolar is a little bit better though. Ooh, I don't know. 298 on the prevents acne? That's pretty good. Why don't we go and try and prevent acne, actually? Soothes rash with a catalyst and an evaporator. It's really, really heavily used. So it might be expensive. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. If we get rid of it, it's down to 29. If we upgrade it, so it's not so bad. Alright, so we'll take Soothes rash, we'll mix it with a catalyst, and it'll pop out as an acne cream, and maybe we can do something else with it. We'll see. So, Soothes rash. Import. Yeah, okay, over here. So, you're starting at 13. You need to go down 1, mix with the catalyst. So, I think we'll multi-mix right off the bat. Multi-mix with our cause dizziness right off the bat. So, we can make this our base. They're both 13, actually. It works out really nicely. They're both 13. But I think we'll make our antidepressant the base. So we'll get rid of pins and needles. Again, we'll be inducing nightmares, but that's going to be on the opposite end, whereas pins and needles is right in our business. So multi-mix right off the bat, immediately multi-mix. I would like to. I don't know if it's possible. Like, actually really possible. Not very well. Still have a long ways to go, so I don't want to take up too much space. So let's go ahead and use what we've got. Again, suboptimal, but I have yet to actually see a way to do a multi-mixer properly, I guess is the way to look at it. I have yet to see a proper use for the multi-mixer.
Invalid position.
So there's only so much I can do. Alright, so coming out of this, we'll need to dissolve it pretty much immediately. There's really no two ways about it. We'll need to dissolve it immediately. So you are not the base. So that should work.
A competitor has released a new product.
There it is. Alright. Breathe, buddy. Not worried about that. Here it is. So, okay. We need to... Let's go down to 12. The antidepressant. I don't think we're going to have to worry about the antidepressant. I think the antidepressant doesn't get anywhere close to the range we're going to have for preventing acne. It's 3 to 8. And antidepressant upgraded ADHD. Yeah, it's on the far spectrum. So we're ignoring antidepressant here. We're going down 1, and then we'll evaporate. That works out quite nicely, actually. There we go.
Loan repaid.
Hey! Oh yeah, we have loans out, don't we? Holy cow. Omega Finance, $400,000 loan. Crazy! Alright, there's prevents acne. Upgrade with the sequencer to restore hair. Well, we can't quite do that now, can we? So I think we're just going to have to prevent acne. Now, where's our analyzer? Where is our analyzer? Where be ye? Still working on ADHD, actually. Still working on the ADHD. Alright. Well, this is ultimately going to have to go down quite a bit. At least 5. At least 6. Sorry. Hang on. Math here. Yeah, no, 5. I was right. At least 5. It needs to go down. So we can at least go that far. And then from there, we'll probably want it to be a cream. So, creamer. Like so. That's our end game. Down at least 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, mayhaps. Yay! 5. I think that's about as good as it gets, right? Yeah. It's fine. Alright. We'll start working. We'll get it down a little bit of the ways. Actually, we may end up being able to do... maybe not.
New world event.
Alright. I was hoping maybe we could leave
Analysis
this open.
complete.
But I guess not. Cause and asthma. We'll start recovering. ADHD is on the low end of the spectrum. Okay. Let's get you back to... Where were we? Here. Grab it. There you go. Can you go? There you go. Alright. So our ADHD, yeah, we're at 60% strength, 100% strength, 100% or 50% strength on induces nightmares. ADHD is about as good as we're probably gonna get it. So That's alright. Go ahead and start backing it up a little bit. And we're going to start feeding all of them in. We'll figure out... This is actually Sue's rash. It doesn't prevents acne until up here. Well, we can learn about soothing a rash as well. Probably analyze it up here then. Okay. So where are we at? We're producing several products. Not enough of them are B+ or higher. We have 4. We're actually doing very well on that. We have 4. And this is probably just going to stay at a C, maybe even worse, actually. It's doing so little. And it's dead on for liver. And it's barely doing anything. I mean, really. Dead on for liver, and it's barely doing anything. That's tuberculosis. Is that you? Yeah.
A competitor has released a new product.
Max strength. Not even good enough. I'm considering going more towards ADHD, because the liver is just not there. It's just not. It's not doing good. What if we just do that? We'll have to come up with a new name for it, but so be it.
Invalid position.
Leave you right there. Okay. Well, we need a new name, so let's go find a new name.
Analysis complete.
Hold up. Ah, we found out how to soothe a rash. Great. Grab that. Ah! Okay.
Analysis complete.
Whoa there. Okay, hang on. 75, 75, 44. I think that'll probably end up being better. So a name. We need a name. How about the Keen Brush? Oops. Found out what causes pins and needles. That's cool. The Keen Brush. Is it on here? There it is. I guess this should be the Keen Brush. There we go. We'll see if this does any better. We'll see if it does any better. Because as this was, it actually had a C+ on livers. That's impressive.
New world event.
What's up? A new legal high nicknamed Woof Woof is being linked to an increase in seizures. The legal party drug, often sold under the pretense of plant food, is fast becoming the chemical of choice for this generation of ravers. However, studies have found that if taken in large amounts, Woof Woof can cause fits, seizures, and extreme cases, death. Well, then don't take Woof Woof, people. Don't want your seizures now, do ya? Sounds like a bad time.
Has released a new product.
That's fine.
New ingredient discovered.
Aha! Wow. It starts as a 1. Soothes cold symptoms. Interesting. Now, the rest of this takes Sub-Zero or something else. Okay, well, we'll just go ahead and accumulate some points for a little while. Why are they all coming out as different colors? Do we have 2 different drugs going on here? Soothes rash, antidepressant. Yeah. One of them has pins and needles. The other one induces nightmares. That's a problem. Toggle base on you. We want nightmares. We don't want... We want the nightmares, not the pins and needles. Well, that's interesting. 2 different drugs. They have 2 different effects. One will actually give you pins and needles. And the other one will give you nightmares, except we're doing acne.
Complete.
We're doing acne, so it's nothing too major. Okay. We need to go down to 4. Sounds good. Sounds very doable. So we're at 8. We need 4 more dissolvers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Finish. Off it goes. We may have to end up naming it twice. Maybe. Noble Ange and Big 90 Wings are the next ones up. Noble Ange, Big 90 Wings. Here it comes. Aha!
Product name required.
Noble A-N-G-E, I think. A-N-G, sorry. A-N-G. Noble Lang. So there that goes. Yep, and then this thing.
Product name required.
Okay, I thought we might need it. This one's slightly better. Big 90 Wings. Big 90 Wings. Alright, this one's better because it doesn't actually do anything. So you actually come out combating ADHD. Soothes rash. Antidepressant. Get it 7 to 11 and dissolve. Does it actually pop out? It actually changes.
Has released a new product.
It actually changes. That's so funny. Wow. Ooh. No, thank you. Okay, so let's see if we can make our Soothes Rash a little bit cheaper. Where are you? Here you are. A little bit cheaper. Cool.
Research complete.
Globalization. Actually, a couple points wouldn't be bad. Let's go patents. Outsourcing. We need one more dude. Save some money with some outsourcing. And actually, 2 more. Get industrial espionage. Okay, so now we can patent level 3s. Which is pretty much everything. So let's patent the good stuff. The stuff that we need for the end of the game, let's patent that now. The rest of this, we're not even selling this anymore. Yeah, this can just go away. We're not worrying about this. This, we'll see. It has yet to be determined whether or not it's useful. There we go. Okay, so this we're not selling anymore. Okay. This looks like it could be good. This Abda Spot Crusher, the Prevent Acne, could be pretty good, actually. That could be one of our A games. Cool. Oh, look at that. C+, C+. Yes, 75% on both. And I made the Nightmares weaker as well, on top of it being a cream. So that's awesome that's working out that way. Remove warts goes into female contraceptive. I don't know if we'll jump on that. We'll see. Happy to see this is working out pretty well, though.
Has released a new product.
Bipolar ease, huh? Yank that out. All right. And yeah, okay, so we're doing well. Can we get rid of that? Maybe. Is it worth it? I mean, probably not. Yeah, it's not really dragging it down. The dizziness isn't dragging it down. Because if it's 13 to 17 and ionize, and we go back to the beginning of our chain, it's at 13. Available. We could ionize and get rid of the catalyst at that point, which would mean we would never have the antidepressant, or we wouldn't have ADHD, but that doesn't matter. Wow, 6 points. We're just going through these points. We need 8 before we can continue. How are we on time? 5 years remaining. We may just have to settle for standard here. This one's tough. There's a C+. Yeah. It would be a B. So we'll see whether or not the dizzy spells are actually dragging us down. We'll see.
A competitor has released a new product.
Flaky wart catcher. I'm not so concerned about it. Grab that as well. Oh, we're down to 8. Beautiful. Upgrade this. Now it's even cheaper. So what's going to be our next line that we're going to work on? I think at some point we wanted to do stroke risk. Yeah. So hypertension. Look into hypertension. I think so, yeah. Or we could jump on the antibiotic train. Soothes cold symptoms to antibiotics. Maybe. Look at the cost. Look at what we have. Let's see. Antibiotics would be these two. So hypertension, we're already working on, and it's actually fairly cheap to do this hypertension stuff to go into angina. Yeah, angina. Soothes cold symptoms. Let's see, go up. So basically that'd be a double agglomerator. This would be massive, massive decrease. And then just annihilate it before we could go any further. That's right, hypertension wasn't very profitable. Let's try the antibiotic. We'll start you over here. So you need to go up 3 and then agglomerate. Probably into that. 1, 2, 3, and then agglomerate. That is perfect. All right.
Patent complete.
Aha! Patent. We have patented that which we want to make sure that we hold on to.
Research complete.
Oh-ho! Industrial espionage. Perfect. That's ready to go. We'll just have a couple extra dudes sitting around. They'll accumulate some points, and they will also jump on the other projects as we need them to. So, it'll take some time to get there. Okay. Antibiotic needs a triple catalyst, but it's at the right frequency to go to an anti-malarial. So a level 3 catalyst would be this one, urinary retention, the antihistamine. Okay. Also this one. So this is in the top spot, this is in the second spot. Both of them can be removed. So looking at our antibiotic, this is in the second spot. So let's take the one that's in the top spot. A little bit more expensive, but a little bit easier to work with. We can just overwrite. Not quite. We'll need to shake the antibiotic. Unfortunately, urinary retention is a little frustrating to deal with, as it's right in the same range, but we're going for anti-malarial, so it's whatever. So level 3 catalyst, so shake the antibiotic, move it down 1, and that makes it readily available. Keep going then. Alright. Shake. Shake. And
New world event.
what's up? A fall in demand for antibiotics. Okay. Well, I'm glad we're skipping
Our competitor
antibiotics.
has released a new product.
What wonderful timing that was. Can we... This is tough. I don't think we can. If we do that... no. That doesn't quite work. Yeah, we're gonna have to, like, really move you. Aha! Blur's vision. Antibiotic. Cool. Next. What's up? Preg no more, that's fine. How are we gonna get this to work? You guys are just really not in the right spot. Yeah, I would love to do that. Oh, if only. Well, maybe it's possible. If we do that. Yeah, I mean, it kind of works. That kind of works. It's about as good as it gets, because then we have a belt that runs this way to here. We'll move this to here and then do it on both of these. And then we have a belt that runs like this to here. And then this just has to cross that belt. Alright. We'll stop doing that. We'll go ahead and grab you and throw you in here, like so. I'll take it. Let's see, like that. Like that. And then like that. Okay, well, we'll continue this process in the next episode, guys. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with some more Big Pharma. DFTBA.